Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will be sharing the update about the Frontend Freak Mentorship. So exactly 100 days ago I start this mentorship program, and if you are following this channel, so you already know about the Frontend Freak Mentorship, where I teach students about the front-end development, build real-world projects and help them to crack internships and jobs at big startups and MNCs. So in this video, I will talk about why I start this mentorship program. What are the challenges I faced during managing and building this community? What is the current progress of this mentorship? And what are my next plan for this mentorship? And hold on, there will be one giveaway at the end of the video. So make sure you watch the video till end. So first of all, let's talk about why I start this mentorship program. So exactly 2 years ago, I was in the second year. I learned about the front-end development. I learned about the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but I was stuck like what to do next. I'm not sure what to do next. Should I apply for internship? Should I do open source project? And I know like you all will feel the same once you start going to learn about the things and you feel like you are stuck in the tutorial hell. So you are watching the videos but you are not able to make the project by yourself. So what I did at that point of time, I did an open source contribution. I take participate in the open source contribution, and then I get my first internship from the Gulf Creek Summer of Code. After that I also get like next 5 remote work. So in last 2 year I worked for 6 startups. I got offer from 20 companies. I interviewed for like 25 companies, and there I cracked most of the interviews. So how did I crack these interviews? There are so many students who are able to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript or the front end development, but they are not able to clear the interviews. There are lots of people who can learn the things but not able to build the real world project. There are lots of students who are not able to learn the things. So I want to tackle all these problems, and this is the very huge problem, because learning, building and cracking the jobs are all different things, and I want to solve this because I have the experience of all this, and I know how much time it will take to learn this. If I got some mentors who can help me during that process, so that will be very good to me. So I want to become that mentor for you. In last year in 2022, I helped 50 students to get their first internship or job in startups. And this year, my plan was to make at least 100 students, 100 people to get into tech. And this is why I start this front-end developer mentorship program. Now doing all these things will be very challenging because I have like more than 4,000 members in my community. I have to manage the contents to upload on YouTube. I have to manage the assignment. I have to create the website, and there are lots of things that I have to do in the backend. Uploading video was only 10% of the work that I do. I have to resolve hundreds of DMs, hundreds of doubt every single day, and that was not easy, but I did it. And that gave me like a proud moment when someone from you DM me that you are able to crack the interview, you are able to get the offer from dash company and dash startup, and this motivate me to do it more. Now, what is the current progress of the front-end freak? So, as of now, there are more than 4,000 students who are learning, building, and helping each other. How they are helping each other? Whenever they get an assignment from the company, they discuss about the assignment. Whenever they go like they get the interview, so they discuss about their interview experience in the community, and that helps the communities to learn about what types of interview question asked in the interview and how they can prepare that. I have also created lots of playlists about the front end interview question, mock front end interviews, and lots of things. But while talking to one student, I find out lots of students are not able to work in the group. They need a one-to-one mentorship. So in this time, I have launched one-to-one mentorship for you. So now what you can do is you can book slot on one-to-one mentorship on TopMate, where I have provided the career counseling, front-end developer prep and tips, mock interview. That is best thing. If you are preparing for the startup or big MNC, there will be some interview rounds, and you will be become very nervous if you are handling this interview first time. So make sure to have a mock interview. I'm not saying a mock interview with me only. You can ask for your friends to do a mock interview. That will help you to get a better understanding of how to answer the question in the interview and what are your weak section. You will understand these things when you are giving the answer to the interviewer. Also, if you want the placement package, I have started this placement package where I will guide you for a month, once to one. It will be once to one call where I will take a career counseling call, a two mock interview, a resume review, and the front end prep centric. So I made this a paid because I want to make a genuine and very interested students to afford for this, and it's not for all. I will still uploading lots of content on the YouTube where you will learn everything on the free, and I genuinely say learn in public. Learn in public. You have to learn everything in the public. Make sure the more and more you learn in the public, it will benefit you. This is only for those students who are not able to learn things in the group. So if you are one of those students, make sure you can book your slot on top mate. And here is the exciting part. So if you are a someone who have a completed batch 1 or batch 2, or if you are a someone who have learned anything from my videos and the playlist, then I will be give once to one free career counselings to you. What you have to do is you have to share that playlist or that video on LinkedIn or Twitter with hashtag frontend with Vishal, sharing what you have learned from that video or what you have learned from that playlist. So I will be shortlist only 10 students from that. Otherwise, you can book your slot right now on the top mate. One student gave me a feedback of giving one-to-one mentorship, and I have implemented that feedback. If you have any feedback for friend and freak mentorship, or if you want me to do any other initiative, make sure to comment that initiative in the comment section. I will be sharing the winner of this giveaway on my LinkedIn and Twitter handle, so make sure you follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.